Good evening.
Good day. Sorry for the waiting.
No worries, no worries, no worries. How are you? Good evening.
Yeah, I am fine. Thank you for asking. What about you?
I'm good as well. Thank you very much, sir. And how are you doing
Uh,
today?
Day was great, amazing.
What was so amazing, sir?
Just I have finished my task and just switch back to Clapingo.
Okay, lovely, lovely. So, which means now you are having extended work hours.
Not extended workers, but just I have some urgent query, so that's why
Mhm.
I delay.
So, Diji, I would like to know, understand whatever that you are able to share. That what exactly do you do in your job? I mean, do you face the client or do you do a bit of analysis? What do you do exactly at your work?
I'm just an accountant and I'm just doing my accounting work, back office work.
I mean, for that particular company, you are the person, you are the only person, or there are more,
No, there are lots of the people,
lots of the people, or lots of people? Sir?
lots of people.
So you can say there are more people. There are more people in my department. You can also say that. So is it a very high pressure job that you are doing, or is it okay? Okay.
No, it is okay. It is depends to person how they are taking
Hmm.
their situation, because maybe somebody they are not means taking they are not stretch, or they are maybe it depends to, and I can say in Indian army job. Okay, the actual pressure job is this. Okay, and the higher level of quality they want. If you can assume, if you are pilot. Okay, so if you are pilot and you are running a plane or fighter plane, so there is no any chance to you have to do anything wrong, or you need to compromise with your quality, because there is no any, if you can just did the mistake any 1%, so your life will be dangerous in next step.
True.
But in our task, there is no any means certain level of quality, but quality is important, 100% quality. But if maybe we can done anything wrong, so it will impact in as a financially, but not for I can say humanity, or like human being in life. So actual pressure is not our job. Actual pressure is they are doing in the field job.
So you were saying that yes, that means what I mean, our, as in, I'm talking about yours, the intensity of job does not involve that kind of a risk, which otherwise a job of a soldier or whatever you say, right?
Right, absolutely right.
But why did you say that?
Because you have asking me for a stress or a pressure. So
No, I'll tell you. See, I was asking you actually, depending upon the quantum of the company, I mean, the size of the company, depending upon the kind of business the company handles. Typically, in a small to mid-sized company, as per my experience, I've seen they'll hire less people and make them work like a donkey. I hope you understand. And that 1% or 2% actually is doing work of maybe 3, 4 people. And that is the reason. And that too with a very modest salary, sir. That is also I have seen.
yes, of course.
People are helpless. They need job. They are skilled, and there are owners who are sitting there to take advantage. So today I'm going to ask you a very curious question. Can I?
Yes, sure.
We all want to add passive income to. You know what is a passive income, sir? You know what is a passive income?
Yes, of course.
Wonderful. Yeah. So we all look sometimes, I mean, no matter as per our capacity, whatever we invest, that's a different story. Everybody invests. That's savings. But I'm sure you must have tried sometime in your life to do something in parallel to what you are doing. I mean, or you might not have. I really don't know. I'm asking you that question. Have you ever tried some different sources of earning? No. Have you?
Yes, of course I tried. In my when I was young, I can say when I was 20 or 21. So
Okay. Okay.
I have started just temporary work in the call center,
Huh?
in
At,
domestic call center.
at what age? That's what I'm asking.
It could be around 90 or 20 or 21, maybe 19 or 20, between 19 and 21.
Tell me more about that. So was it a domestic call center? Or
Yes, domestic call center.
are you comfortable sharing it? I mean, what was it actually? What was the
Yeah,
job?
and the job is customers. If the XYZ company has deducted your balance, so you call to the customer care and you can start your abusing word why it is happened. And
I mean, you had to do this literally every day.
yes, of course, I am doing very good, and I am taking at least 200 or 300 calls per day.
I am doing it, sir. Are you still doing it?
No, no, I
No,
have
right?
done. No, I
I
have done.
I was doing it, right?
I was doing,
Yeah, I have done. Very good.
and I have
So,
very good average handling time to the customer
I
because
mean,
because
the
I like. Sorry.
because the kind of words that came out of your mouth, they were very pleasant.
Yes, of course, because I'm that job I'm very comfortable because when I help the people, so I feel very good, and well I'm feeling very, means I can say very, in one hormones in my body release one and give me very happiness. I can say like that
You
because I
you
have the power. That time I have the power. If somebody has the wrong balance deducted, so I will raise the request and arrange the refund request to the customer.
I mean, could you please explain? I mean, by giving me an example, that means what exactly was your job?
For example, maybe you have received one flash SMS and you
Okay.
just click on, and after clicking the SMS, your balance has been deducted for XYZ rupees. So
Uh,
you call the call center and you ask for the representative why my balance has been deducted.
correct.
So the CSR means the customer service representative. He is giving you advice. You have activate the so and so activity. So your balance has been deducted. So you need to stop the activity after 1 month, and you will receive the free balance. So that time customer argue, I'm not bothering about this activity. I right now I want to close this activity or deactivate this activity, and I want to get my refund. So I will just try to explain, sir. I will try 1 or 2 times explain. Just you can just take the experience. This activity is very good, and you have the start. But if customer is really needed for money, so I will take the request as per the company policy, which was I have the power. So I will raise the service request and raise the refund request for the particular customer. So customer is happy and customers give me very good feedback, and I'm also very doing I feel I doing very great job because someone I some indirectly I have paid something on the behalf of the company to any of the customer.
Sudhir ji, very thank you very much. But everything that you are saying in simple present tense, as if you are still doing it.
No, still not doing.
So please take care of that past tense. That this has been
sometimes we had a very bad experience also,
Ah,
because if another person get the deducted the, if you can assume you are the very great person, but maybe if my balance was deducted, so I will just shouting to the customer care, why you are bloody man and you are so we have the very good patience, and we have the apology script. Sorry for the inconvenience, sir. So we can understand your situation. It could be open, but we will try. These are the very, means I can say, very sweet butter script we are using, and we will try to convince the customer, because customer is the our first priority that time, because it was in mentioned in our KRA. So
right.
definitely,
So what you meant to say was, let me see. I think the call will get disconnected, but I'll quickly say, you perhaps meant that we had a lot of patience and we used to follow a script.